Hi, Mr. Alankush. My name is Utku Ergene, and this is the second homework first task. So I delete the all comment lines and I change the title with the homework too. And I at the center of inside the body and inside the center I add the column to show the text widgets with the line by line. And inside the column, I add the children. I add text widget which is necessary, and I add the elevated button. This is the second task of the second homework. I change my app class to stateful widget, and after that I add a number finder class which is stateful widget, and I add a number finder state. It include the void number generator, which is creating the random number function, and it's the initial number of -1, starting number of -1. Inside of my scaffold, my elevated button was I changed my elevated button. I add my function when I on pressed, and it's print under of that the random number. So you can see this is the -1 initial state, and when I click it, it's generating random number between 10 and 110. This is the second homework third task. So I change my body part to single child scroll view, and inside of it I use my old body, and I uh, change the inside of the children, the column part. I add children, and inside of the children I use for loop to create 100 copy of my codes. They are all initial number is -1, and I can scroll until the end, and it still creates the random number. This is the second homework for task. So I implement the color box into my column to show the width, to show the top label, and I change the width to double infinity to capture the whole width. And after that, I divide my rest of the screen to 1 divided 3 and 2 divided 3. Into 2 divided 3, I place my uh, task 3 code, which is 100 copy of the program, and 1 divided 3 parts, I place the uh, blue colored box, but I have a little bit problem here. In your example, these texts is not visible, but I couldn't change it to invisible part, so it's visible with the text on the top of it, but they are all non-problematic working. And lastly, I enter my last colored box, and I make it red and doubled infinity. Lastly, this is my local history of my homework 2. I work yesterday and I implement some changes today morning, as you can see. Thank you for all.